Hi friends, today we have to learn about basic electrical and electronics engineering. Okay. First of all, we have to know about modern electrical theory. Okay. What is meant by modern electrical theory? Okay. The electricity were developed through experiments and observations of its behavior. This explains the modern electrical theory, electron theory. Okay. What is this? All matters, that means every solid, liquid, or gas, all matters, okay, consists of solid, anything solid, liquid, or gas, are composed of minute particles called as molecules, and then each molecule is made up of atoms. Okay, the central part of the atom is an nucleus. The central part of an atom is called an nucleus. The nucleus contains protons and neutrons. Okay, the protons are positively charged particles, and the nucleus contains protons and neutrons. First one, the protons are positively charged particles and the neutrons have zero charged particles, but they both have a same mass. Okay, the in the outer part of the atom is called as electrons. Okay, the mass of electron is very small when compared to the protons and neutrons, and the electron have a negatively charged particle. Three three things we have to see. One is in an atom contains a proton, neutron, and electron. Okay, proton is positively charged, neutron is zero charge, and then electron is negatively charged particle. Okay, protons and neutrons have a same mass. Okay, but electrons is very small mass compared to protons and neutron. Okay, the electrons move around. The electrons are present in the outermost orbit of the shell. The proton and neutrons are present in inner side of the cell. The electrons are present in outer side, protons and neutrons are present in the inner side of the atom. Okay, the electrons moves around the nucleus in different orbits because it is present in the outer side. Okay, the maximum number of electrons in each cell is given by 2n squared. 2n squared, where n is the principal quantum number. Okay, where n is a principal quantum number. A subshell can accommodate 2 into 2l plus 1 electrons. Okay, where L is the orbital quantum number. The possible value of magnetic orbital quantum number m1 lies in the range plus L2 minus L including 0. Okay, the magnetic spin quantum number ms can have only two values, plus 1 by 2 or negative minus 1 by 2. The what is Morse number? The Morse number is the summation of number of protons and number of neutrons. That means Morse number equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. What is atomic number? Each and everything we have to know the mass number and the atomic number. So how can we calculate? Atomic number equal to number of protons or number of electrons in an atom, atomic number. So atom, in an atom we have to calculate the atomic number from number of protons or number of electrons in present. Okay, mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. Atomic number equal to number of protons or number of electrons in an atom. Okay, from these above it is clear. What is clear? Every matter is electrical in nature. Okay, that is, it contains a particles of electricity, namely protons and electrons. What is this? Protons and electrons. Okay, then next we have to see about the nature of electricity. What is this? Nature of electricity. Okay, the number of protons is equal to number of electrons in a body under normal condition. Okay, we have to take it as a paper. It is a neutrally charged. The number of protons and number of electrons is equal. So the paper is have a neutrally charged. So number of protons is equal to number of electrons. So that is protons value and electrons value get cancelled. Positive and negative suppose we have to take it as a plus 5 and minus 5 values are electron, plus 5 values are proton. So this plus 5 and minus 5 are cancelled. So we have to get the value is 0. So the paper value is 0. So it is a neutrally charged. Okay, if we remove some electrons from a neutral body, so we remove some electrons from the neutral body, there occurs a defect of electrons. Defect of electrons in the body. Consequently, it attains a positively charge. So we have to remove electrons. So the positive charge only higher than the electrons. So the paper get having a positively charged. So if we supply some electrons to a neutral body, neutral is 0. So if we apply some electrons to the neutral body, the neutral body gets charged. In which charge? It is having a negative charge. Okay, that acquires an excess of an electrons. Consequently, the body attains a negative charge. Suppose if the paper have a neutral charge, means we have to apply some electrons to this paper. Okay, so it attains a negatively charged. Okay, ma. It is clear that whether a given body exhibits electricity and not depends upon the relative number of particles of electricity, that is protons and neutrons, and especially the electrons is most important in the flow of electrons to produce the electricity. Okay, now we have to learn about some definitions and symbols and the units of electrical elements. Okay, first one is charge. What is meant by charge? What is charge? 1 coulomb of charge is equal to the charge on 6.28 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. So already we have to learn about the charge. Okay, what is negative charge and what is positive charge? The protons have a positive charge and electrons have a negatively charged particles. From that only, now we have see about the charge. Okay, and 1 coulomb of charge is equal to the charge on 6.28 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. So 1 coulomb equal to charge on 6.28 into 10 to the power of 18 electrons. In electricity, we mainly concentrate on electrons. The negatively charged particles only move along the particles and produce electricity. So, we have to concentrate on electrons. Okay. So, 1 coulomb of charge equal to charge on 6.28 to 10 to the power of 18 electrons. Okay. The symbol of the charge is Q. The symbol of the charge is Q and its unit is coulomb. What is the unit is coulomb. Okay. Then second one is electric potential. Okay. What is meant by electric potential? The ability of a charged body to do work. So any body have get charge is ability to do some work. So it is called as a electrical potential. Electrical potential. The ability of a charged body to do work is called electric potential. The equation is electrical potential. Okay, it is denoted by V. Electrical potential is denoted by V. It is equal to work done by charge. How much charge we have to apply to the particle? Okay, it have ability to do work. So work done by charge. So work done is denoted by W and the charge is denoted by Q. Though, so V equal to W by Q. So the work done is measured in joules. Work done is measured in joules. Okay, and charge is coulomb. What is charges? The unit of work done is joule and the unit of charge is coulomb. Okay, therefore the unit of electrical potential is joules by coulomb, or the electrical potential unit is denoted by V. Okay, then third one is electric current. Third one is electric current. What is electric current? The flow of free electrons. The flow of free electrons in a metal. So metal have a good conductor of electricity. So the flow of free electrons in a metal is called electric current. Okay, we take it as a picture. So in this, when electric pressure or voltage is applied in a metal, okay, the free electrons which are negatively charged will start moving towards a positive terminal round the circuit. Just round the circuit, the electrical charge move towards a positively charged particle, okay, round the circuit. This directed flow of electron is called as a electric current. Okay, when some voltage is applied to the circuit, that means the metal, the flow of free electrons moves towards a positively charged particle and round the circuit. This flow of electrons from one place to another place is called as an electric current. Okay, what is the formula of electric current? The unit of electric current is ampere. What is this? Ampere. Okay, the electric current is denoted by I. The strength of the electric current I is the rate of flow of electrons, that is charge flowing per second. Electric current I equal to dq by dt or q by t. In how much time the charge is flowing. So we have to define it as I equal to Q by T. Within a time, how much charge is applied, how much flow of electrons is circulated. Okay, the charge Q is measured in coulomb and the time is measured in seconds. Okay, so electric current is measured in, denoted as I equal to Q by T, and the I, unit of I is ampere A, unit of charge Q is coulomb, and the unit of time is seconds. So I equal to Q by T or A equal to C by S. Okay, the next one, fourth one is potential difference. Okay, what is mean by potential difference? The difference in potential of two charged bodies. The difference in the potentials of two charged bodies is called potential difference. Okay, in this picture we have to clearly understand +5 and then +2. Okay, the moving of electrons +5 to +2. So the +5 minus +2 value is, the remaining answer is 3. So the unit of potential difference is also same as the unit of electrical potential. What is the unit of electrical potential? Already we have to learn. What is the electrical potential unit? V. Okay, volt. What is the unit of electrical potential? Volt. Okay, V. Then next one is electromotive force, EMF. What is electromotive force? A device that maintains a potential difference between 2 points. A device, okay, that maintains a potential difference between 2 points is said to develop one type of one type of force. That force is called as an electromotive force. It is denoted as EMF. EMF. Example for this EMF is battery. What is battery? Cell. Okay, the chemical reaction taking place from positive side. Okay, taking place in the cell removes electrons from the copper plates that transfer to the zinc rod, that is electrolyte. Okay, consequently the copper plate attains a positive charge of coulombs and the zinc attains a negative charge of coulombs. During this process, chemical action of the cell has done certain amount of work, say it in joules. Hence the potential difference between the two plates is W by work done by charge. Okay, W by Q. So work done is joule and Q is C, J by C. What is the unit of electrical potential? V. Okay, therefore the electromotive force is not a force. It is not a force that causes a current flow. EMF is the energy supplied to the charged body by an active device such as a cell or battery.